Well, we just got a call on the radio. Apparently there's a buggy that really messed up its steering on an obstacle called Little Salty, I think. Anyway, it's right up here. We'll see what's going on. Well, by the time we got there with the wrecker, they had already used the come-along to pull the broken tie rod back together and get it down off of the obstacle, and we're heading back to camp when it fell apart again. Since he was almost back to camp and it was easy trail the rest of the way back to his campsite, what he really wanted to do was just put it back together with the come-along again and drive it down to his campsite and up on the trailer. What had actually happened to the tie rod is he broke the welded collar out of the tube on one end. So there was a little bit of threaded tie rod that we could stuff back inside the tube and hold it together with a come-along. What do you need?
If I had a small D-ring I can hook on that
5/8?
Yeah.
I might have.
Then I can hook that cable so it'll stay in instead of going down low. Just tall enough, Eric. Just tall enough.
On the low side here. There's a 5/8 one. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for thickness. Oh yeah.
Never know when you'll need it, but you need it.
Well, I usually have two small ones in my Jeep.
No.
What do you need?
Just thinking another
There's
one for
actually
this
one.
side.
There's one on the safety chain to the trailer. The 5/8
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
I think that's the only 5/8 one I have with me.
Well, you've got the other one on the, but we're gonna need it.
Is this a 5/8?
No, that one down there.
That one's 3/4.
On the,
Oh yeah, that one is a 5/8. Right.
come on, Brian. Try harder.
I loosened it for you.
Yeah. You're such a
Yeah,
good
that is a
helper.
5/8 one.
Negative.
Really?
There's
A little bit
on
of
that
dirt.
one.
Probably a hammer,
Yeah.
but it might mess up the threads.
Funny thing of it is he had a new tie rod to go into the high steer arms at his house, but he thought he'd just make one more run with the old tie rod. Guess he really needs to change it now.
I can just hook the hook back into it.
Yeah, I'm afraid we're gonna.
My drilling guy didn't do really the right size. They were supposed to be 3/4 holes.
Oh, you got it open? Yeah, we could have broke out 3 batteries and welded it back together, but he was ready to put it on the trailer. So we got it back together enough for him to drive and steer, and he went back to his campsite. Well, guess what? We tried to get a bite for lunch, and we got a call. Jeep, it won't run. We got a little CJ here. The distributor won't turn anymore. That's why it won't start. Something's broke. So we got a little CJ here, and they're telling me that the distributor isn't turning anymore, so it won't start. We're gonna have to put it on the hook, take it back to camp. Yeah, we can put it up. There we go. Yep. All right. You can ride in it?
Walking.
You can ride. Oh. Yep. Okay, looks like we're ready to go.
That was a drop.
Taking a little shortcut here. It's kind of steep, but it cuts off a lot of trail.
Not enough room to do it now. We can do it later.
Oh, we can get it now. Pretty sure anyway. You gotta get on the back side of it. Because I'm sure you want it on there forward.
That's possible. But either way will work.
Yeah, probably one. Well, he wanted to put the Jeep on the trailer, but we didn't want it on there backwards, because that wouldn't give it enough tongue weight. The heavy end would be on the tail. Not good for going down the freeway at highway speeds. We'll hook onto the back of it now so we can put it on the trailer for him. what that means? He gets a sticker.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods.
What are we winning?
Everything.
Everything?
Everything.
Everything? Chuck's winning everything?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to.
What do we got here? What do you have? Minnesota Four-Wheel Drive Association. Really? Is that a sweatshirt? Awesome.